So this morning's cook up is going to be a breakfast pizza. Might call it heart attack breakfast. It's going to have a lot of stuff on it that probably doctor will say it's not good for you. Same as always, just get a nice fire going. Going to do it over the fire again. Today's ingredients are going to be hash browns, are going to be the base of the pizza. Then egg, bacon, sausage, cheese, garlic and onion. So I'll get it going. Hope you enjoy this one. Just in preparation, just going to cut the sausage up into bite sizes. You can do this before it's cooked or after. And also the bacon. Now I'm only doing one, doing breakfast for one, so just going to use one of my smaller pans. Obviously, depending on how many you're cooking for, will vary how much you prepare. Just a little bit of oil, put that on the fire. Now, hash browns are going to be the base for the pizza. Probably need 3 hash browns maybe for this one, we'll see how we go. And all I'm going to do is cut them diagonally. So basically you just get triangles. Just once your pan's hot, you don't want it roasting hot, you just want it warm. So you just want them to sear off a bit, I suppose. Whilst they're doing that, I'll cut up the onion and also some garlic. Got 2 cloves of garlic here, it's going to be plenty for this dish. Finally dice it. Right guys, I've just let that cool down enough that I can touch it. Put all my ingredients just into a bowl off the side. So just a little bit more oil in the pan. Then what you want to do, So what you want to do is just fit the hash browns into the base of the pan, so that makes up the base of your pizza. Cut it to suit. Then what you want to do is just put your toppings in, spread them out so it's fairly even. Then just crack 2 or 3 eggs. Then just load it up with cheese. Once you've got that done, back over the fire, try to find a level spot. Just want a low temperature. You don't want to cook or burn that base too much. So just monitor it, move it on and off the heat, and I would say probably 10 minutes. I did forget to do the salt and pepper. So it's not too late now to do it. The cheese is still melting. Sauce is optional. I'll just throw a little bit of hot sauce. So just a little bit of hot sauce in there as well. That will just cook through. Go from there. So I'll just put the lid to the Dutch oven on top just to try to keep that heat in there, get those eggs cooked. Probably after another 3 or 4 minutes, I might just put it off to the side and just let the heat that's in there do what it needs to do to finish it off. So I've taken the pan off the heat and just put it off to the side here. And I've just put the lid to the Dutch oven on top, just with a couple of hot sticks, just to get some heat into the top of it and allow that cheese to melt and for the eggs to cook through. Just going to take this lid off. Have a look at that, guys. Got to be happy with that. Right, yeah. Just probably have to run a knife. That pan's a little bit hot. Whew. Bit warm. There we go, guys. Breakfast pizza. Have a go at that. Right, guys. Breakfast pizza or heart attack breakfast, whichever one you want to call it. Just quickly run through it again. Bit of onion, garlic, some sausage, some bacon diced up. Cook that off a little bit. Put it off to the side. Cut some hash browns. Fill up the base of your pan with the hash browns as a base. Then add your toppings, a couple of eggs, depending on how many you're cooking for. Salt, pepper, some sort of sauce, whether you like hot sauce, barbecue, tomato sauce, whatever you like. Of course, you can add more stuff to this if you want. mushrooms, whatever you like for breakfast when you're doing a barbecue. Go your hardest at it. So let's see how we go here. Again, I've overcooked. There's enough here for two. I did have a smaller pan. I didn't think that would be big enough, but it's got a nice base to it. That egg's cooked through. The smell is ridiculously good. That's awesome. Put that one on your camp cook-up breakfast list, guys. Probably just don't have it before you go and see your doctor for a cholesterol check. Anyway, guys, thanks again for watching. Really appreciate it. If you're new to my channel, subscribe, hit that little notification bell, just so you know there's a new video out. Leave comments. I'll get back to you, and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Any ideas, what I could have done better, how I could have changed this, please make a comment, let me know. I'm no cook, I just wing it and do what I think's right at the time. Thanks again, guys. We're going to finish it up now and enjoy this.